First of all, thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you.
And really appreciate, and I really admire your leadership and your grasp on international affairs. And you so much work in such a short time. And you know, at this time, India and Pakistan, two nuclear powers are at the point of collision. Anything you can do to stop that or restrain that would be a huge service of humanity. And also our common friend Imran Khan still is in jail. Any political capital, any resources you can use to get him out of the jail and all the political prisoners, that will be really a remarkable service for the humanity for those 250 million people in Pakistan.
Well, one thing I do know is that President Trump loves Imran Khan. They have a very special relationship. And it's something that I have watched and I have supported, trying to get Imran Khan out. I think it's a crucial issue, and hopefully we can make some progress on that going forward.
I really appreciate it.
All the best.
Thank you.